In this video, we will discuss about various crystals present in the urine. Crystals of urine can be divided into two parts, acidic urine and alkaline urine. Crystals present in acidic urine, they are calcium oxalate, uric acid, urates, tyrosine, cysteine, leucine, cholesterol, sulfonamide. What are the crystals present in acidic urine? Calcium oxalate, uric acid, urates, tyrosine, cysteine, leucine, cholesterol and sulfonamide. Crystals which are present in alkaline urine, they are ammonium phosphate, triple phosphate, calcium carbonate, ammonium pyrite and calcium phosphate. What are the crystals? Ammonium phosphate, triple phosphate, calcium carbonate, ammonium pyrite and calcium phosphate. Now we discuss each crystal one by one. First, to the calcium oxalate. This one is colorless refractile. They have dumbbell shape. These dumbbell shape are common in ethylene glycol poisoning. This dumbbell shape is common in ethylene glycol. The dumbbell shape may be monohydrate or dihydrate. If there are monohydrate, means this one is dumbbell shape. Second one is uric acid. Now going to the uric acid, this one is yellow or brown in color. There are various shape, rhomboid, prism, hexagon, plate, like that. Uric acid yellow or brown in color. They have various shape. They also seen in normal urine. They also indicator of diseases like acute uric acid nephropathy. There are seen in normal urine, indicator of disease, example acute uric acid nephropathy. Now going to amorphous urates. What is amorphous? That meaning don't have any particular morphology, just give cloudy appearance to the urine. Amorphous means it gives cloudy appearance to the urine. Urates dissolve on heating and there are seen in some patient which are suffering from gout. Now going to the leucine crystals. There are abnormal in urine. There are not normally present in the urine like calcium oxalate and uric acid. This one is abnormal. Appearance yellow brown spheroid with concentric ring around the outer edges and radial striation in the center. Radial striation in the center. It may be seen in liver disorders. Now going to cysteine. Cysteine presented in urine. Inherited metabolic disorder involving cysteine metabolism. This one is colorless. Characteristic hexagonal shape with equal or unequal in sides. This may be equal or unequal. Presence in urine indicate inherited defect in cysteine metabolism. Sixth one is tyrosine. It appear colorless. This one is typical in shape. That means needle in shape. They are presented in acidic urine. They are seen in the case of tyrosinemia, in which tyrosine metabolism disorder. This one is tyrosine metabolism disorder. Seventh one is cholesterol crystals. They also typical in shape. How they appear? Colorless, rectangular, but they have knots. This one is knots. They seen in nephrotic syndrome or other condition. This cholesterol crystal seen in nephrotic syndrome or other conditions. Final one is sulfonamide. They appear as yellowish. Shapes are rounded with radial striations. They appear in urine after administration of sulfonamide antibiotic. When it appears after administration of sulfonamide antibiotics. That's all about crystals present in acidic urine. Next video we will discuss about what are the crystals present in alkaline urine. Thanks for watching.